Mommy, and with me. So
Yeah, what's your name?
Rain, and don't keep up with the Joneses. So get straight to the channel. Let's get started.
Okay. Let's see. What colors do we want to do?
Maybe rainbow.
Let's just pick one.
I want, Mommy, maybe pink.
Okay.
What color of pink for you? I'm gonna open it for you. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna put some on you. So, so weird. A match for your shirt.
Mm-hmm.
So. I'm gonna do this. What is? Oh, we want to sparkly. Feel good. I'll get it. Stop looking at everybody, okay, Mommy? Close your eyes. It's going well doing it.
Does it look nice? Is it pretty?
Yes. Wait, go to the mirror. Go to
Well, I can look right here. Okay, it's not awful.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm saying it's not that bad. It's okay.
Oh, so I gotta close your eyes.
Okay.
That's not that bad.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm doing like,
It's just not what I normally wear.
you know, I'm just doing like this, like, I'm not doing like that, but I'm trying to figure this out. It's pretty, but it's not pretty, but it's hello. I'm just not doing it. So guys, sometimes Mommy, but I'm so dramatic. Like this video is so intense, but this eyebrow is like dipping. Like this eyebrow, I'm trying to do anybody eyebrow like eyebrows, but I always can do anybody eyebrow. Well, we're not gonna I was trying to figure this out, but it didn't work today, so we're gonna try again. So, hi guys.
You did good though.
Well,
You did good. I like it. It's very pretty. I
yes.
like it. Do you like it?
Yes, but I'm really accountable for my friends because I always love these videos. But I gotta tell my mom I want to do a braid like my sister said. I'm so glad I did a ponytail. I'm so
Who's your
glad.
sister?
Juliana.
Where do you know her from?
At school.
Oh, okay.
So she said I gotta tell her mom I gotta do a braid at her house. So if my mom said yes, I can go to her house.
You told her you was gonna go to her house and braid her hair? Why did you tell her that? You don't even know how to do braids.
Well, I know. Okay, when I do like this, like this. Like this, Mommy. Like that.
Right.
I'm like that.
Okay.
So when I go to Juliana's house, well, I don't know if she has some toys. So guys, I'm finishing makeup. So guys, I'm excited from this makeup. Like, close your eyes. So her makeup is so nice, but close your eyes.
Okay.
So her makeup, I'm just gonna put a little bit more on her makeup, on her gloss. So her are gonna be like, I'm just saying, guys. Close your eyes.
They're closed.
Okay. I'm just seeing. Okay, where's the top? Thank you. Maybe we need some more. So, Mommy, do you know? Wait, what is this?
That's my concealer.
Do you want to do this?
Do I want to do it? Do you want to do it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, a little bit.
Okay. I'm gonna do it with the sword.
I normally put it around my eyebrows and like right here.
Oh, I want to like right here.
Okay, go ahead. Oh.
What's happening?
It's so close to my eye. You gotta put it like down here. Okay.
It's cold.
Not really.
It's breezy.
Okay, yeah, no.
No?
No. Okay, you gonna do the other side?
Okay. Are we done? You're almost done.
Okay.
You look like a kitty cat.
Like a kitty cat? A little bit, yeah. All right. Well, are we done? Is this it?
Mommy, no.
Okay.
Wait, Mommy, is this food like this?
Yeah, that's it. It's fine.
I think it's food.
Okay. I think that's it, right? Is that it?
No.
Yeah. Okay. I think we're done.
Okay, yes. Good job!
You're right. Okay.
You're not done yet. You're not
But you put everything already.
I'm not done. I'm not finished with this.
Okay.
Bye-bye. See you next time when I do our video. So subscribe to our channel.
All right. So
I like
good.
this.